This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. Now, what I was going to mention was, and I took a screenshot. These are from my main script. But I don't know about you guys, but I try to bring up some actual AutoHotkey stuff as well, right, in these calls. So I have it where apps key in D will run my device manager, and apps key in N, it launches the network settings, and apps key in V, probably the one I use most often, is the pulling up my display settings. So I have a nice convenient hotkey that will go pull up, like, how they're laid out, right? There's a 8 million of these CPL or whatever. Was it CPL? Is that what they're? And there's alternative ways for some ones that aren't. Yeah, from the control panel, I think is why they're called that. Here's the MSC for the device manager. But yeah, just don't forget you have tools that you use often, just assigning, finding a way. And here, I don't even have it hard coded with the C:/Windows, which I mainly use this on my computer, so I could have done that, but makes it a little more flexible. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace.